Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to download setups and put them in your folder for iRacing. So what you want to do, this is my own league right here. You can get it off any website or whatever. Just make sure you have the file. Click download. See it downloaded right there. Open up your file explorer. It's going to be right here in your downloads. What you do is you right click on it, go down to cut, hit that. So you want to scroll down and hit your your document folder. You want to click on that. Once you're in your documents, you find iRacing. Double click on that. Find setups. Double click on that. And then for this particular one, it's a K&N car, which is Stock Cars 2 Chevy. So you click on that. You right click and paste, or you can hit Control V, either one, and then it'll be in there. So next time you open up a practice session or whatever, it'll show up in there. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.